Back again with a new video. Today's video is all about fixing a Orient series Tornado 2 pedestal fan. This fan sweep is about 45 cm and 450 mm, or we can call it as 18 inches. Okay, let's go and fix the fan now. While fixing the fan, you need a tool like cutter and one cutting blade, a screwdriver. So this is the rod of the fan. These are some stuff which you will be fixing it. This is the base of the pedestal fan. Come on, let's fix. Now this is the motor. Yeah, that's all. This is the fan manual which will get inside the fan. Tornado 2 450 mm, and there's instructions there given in if you find some trouble while fixing the fan. Okay, let's start fixing. We'll keep this aside now. We'll first start with the base. These fans are matte black, which is really good. Yeah, first undo these screws. After doing this, there's a rod over here. You can remove this cup by doing this, so that you may not feel any difficulty. These will stuck in between. You can remove this totally. Just tighten in. One, two, and three, four. 4 screws over there. First align all the 4 screws and then tighten it up so that the alignment will be perfect. Yeah, the 4 screws has been aligned now. Now let's tighten up. These are the base screws, so tight as much as you can. Use only star screwdrivers because these are star screws. Yeah, now it's done. So now let's put the cup. Yeah, the base is now done. With this one, just push this up little bit up. Yeah, okay. Now let's keep this aside and now fix the motor. Yeah, this is the motor and this is the warranty card which has 2 years warranty period. Yeah, we'll keep it in. It's a powerful motor. These are 4 screws which you have to undo first. In this pedestal fans, there are screws given over, but whereas in other pedestal fans there will not be any screws. There will be manually like a holder tightening it up. Okay, now let's keep this aside and show you what's there in this. Yeah, this is the blade of the fan. We'll cut that. There's a metal blade, so while fixing it, be careful so that you don't bend the blade. This is the front portion of the fan where there will be written Orient fans. Okay, this is the belt. And this is the one now we are going to tighten it up. This is the blade of the fan. It is metal blade. While fixing it, be careful. While pushing it, you have to push by here. Don't press here, here or here, so it might get bent. Okay, now fix it up. Keep this portion on the top. This is because lifting the fan where you want to lift it up. Yeah. Let's tighten all these screws. Yeah, we are done with the screws. Now it's time for the blade. There's a screw given there in the blade over here. There's a screw given there in the blade over here. Now it's already loosened up. If it's tightened, just loose it with the screwdriver. Now it's already loosened. Okay. Now if you see, there's a gap given over here. You have to fix the screw in that position so that the blade doesn't move. Okay, now I'll keep it with my side. As you see, while fixing the fan, you have to handle the blade by here, by pushing it here, not here or here. I have tightened the blade. Now it's okay. Now time for the belt to fix it up. Unloose the belt over here. There are screws given in the belt. Unloose the screws with the star screwdriver. Okay, I've unloosed it. So position the belt over here in the first ring. There will be 2 rings given there in the belt. Position the belt in the first ring. I am loosening it up again, so it's very tight now because the second ring might not go in. Now I'm again positioning it. Yeah, it's been fixed. Yeah, after fixing it, tight it up. Don't over tight it because the belt might get cut. Tight it mediumly. You can feel that it's become tight. Yeah, this might do. This is okay. This is enough for this one. Okay, now let's fix the base and this part. There's a thread given over here for fixing it. I'm loosening it up. You can see there. Yeah. Okay, now I'm bringing the base. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to fix this motor and base. There's a gap given over here where this one will be fixed in, where the screw will be tightened in. Okay, now let's fix it up. Yeah, we have done. Now we have to tighten up the screw which is given back. Tighten up maximum as you can. This hand tight is enough for this. Lift it up with this. Yeah, now it's done. You can adjust the level of height of the fan by doing this, loosening it up, making maximum height till this, or minimizing it till here. And after adjusting it, tighten up. There's a knob given over here. Tight it up. And you can also make it up down by doing just this or this. Please note, you have to adjust by holding over here. Please don't hold over here and adjust it because this might get loose or undo or some malfunction inside here. And this fan has a 3-speed control, which is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now let's see the demo of this fan. Now we are going to operate the fan. There are 3 speeds as I told you. This is 1. Yeah, it's running. And 2 and 3. It has also oscillation. If you press this one, it oscillates. And make sure while stopping it again, stop it in the center. It's safe for you guys. Guys, these fans are very good for residential purpose or office use. These fans are only 1350 RPM, but it has a very good air delivery. It has a metal blade. Thank you guys for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos. Peace.